Dear students, today I am going to teach you the sects of Buddhism. Means Buddhism has been divided in two sects. First one Hinayan and second one Mahayana. There are four Buddhist council. Council means meeting. And last council was held in Kashmir Kundalwan, and that time Kanishk was the ruler. And in fourth council, what happened? Buddhism had been divided in two sects. First one Hinayan and Mahayana. So, what is Hinayan? What is Mahayana? I am going to explain. First one Hinayan. Hinayan stood for following the doctrines of Buddha in letter and spirit. Means whatever Gautam Buddha is stated as it is, it will be followed. Means no any changing will be taken place. Okay, and it deny the existence of God. Hinayan holds that the eightfold path is the only means of salvation. If shuns idols worship and does not believe that Buddha was God. Buddha was regarded as a human being who attained enlightenment and nirvana through his own efforts. Pali was used by the followers of Hinayan as the language of the inscription. The Hinayan sect is found in India, Sri Lanka, Burma, Cambodia and Laos. Going to explain what do mean by this. Dear students, there are two sects of Buddhism. First one Hinayan. Hinayan is also known as, it is easily we can understand Hin-yan. Hin means small one and Yan means vehicle. Hin means small one and Yan means vehicle. Means small vehicle of salvation. In one word we can say this one. Meaning, they believe that by eightfold path only we can get salvation, and they never believe that Gautam Buddha is a god or creation of the god. Means they are not a messenger of the god, they are human being. And how he got enlightenment, how he got nirvana? By eightfold path. Okay, and anybody can get nirvana, salvation, by eightfold path. And they used Pali language. Okay, so these are main points, and it was very rigid sects. Means there is no any changing. Means anybody can get salvation by eightfold path, non-violence. What path adopted by Lord Buddha? And they did not believe that Buddha is a god. Second sect is there, Mahayana. Mahayana means, Maha means big one, Yan means vehicle. So big vehicle of salvation. First one clear? First small vehicle of salvation. Second one big vehicle of salvation. Means by big vehicle means many people can get salvation. How? By worshipping Lord Buddha as a god. Now going to teach this one. The term Mahayana means great vehicle of salvation. It is a combination of the Buddhism and Hinduism. Mahayana believes that Buddha was incarnation of God, and he was one who could ensure salvation simultaneously. The concept of the Bodhisattva also developed. Means Bodhisattva, this is a new concept. So Bodhisattva concept, okay, came to existence in Mahayana, not in Hinayan. According to Mahayana, the Bodhisattva were those holy Buddhists who are not as yet got nirvana like Buddha, but who were proceeding rapidly towards it. Meaning, many people are there, like teachers. Teachers are torch bearer. Means we are giving lesson to the society. So we are also bodhisattva. Means we are giving lesson to student to get their salvation. Dear student, modern interpretation I would like to explain here. Please pay attention. Any my student not having desire to get salvation. Modern interpretation is there. Ki how to get your goal. That time in when Gautam Buddha was there and onwards, okay, 6th century BC, 5th century BC, 4th century BC, target was there salvation. But now our target is not salvation. Our target is there to get good job, be engineer, doctor, IS officer, like this one. So Hinayan believes that Gautam Buddha is a god and he is a messenger of God, and we can worship that God, and after that we can get salvation. And one more concept is there, bodhisattva. Bodhisattva means those person who are torch bearer, means they are giving lesson to other people to get salvation, to get their goal. So they are bodhisattva, and they are on the way, and one day they will be also get salvation. They made their goal to attain Swarg, a state of bliss, rather than attaining nirvana. The worship of the image of Buddha and Bodhisattva became an important component of the Mahayana. In Hinayan, there is no any ideal worship. But in Mahayana, Buddha and Bodhisattva both were worshipped like a god. And Buddhist scholars like Nagarjuna and Angaz founded the Mahayana sects. They wrote their scripture in Sanskrit. Kanishk was the follower of the Mahayana. The followers of these sects are found in north western part of India, Southeast Asian country, China and Japan. So what are main points regarding Buddhism and Jainism? Please pay attention. Hinayan and Mahayana. Not Buddhism, Jainism, Hinayan and Mahayana. Hinayan, small vehicle of salvation. And Gautam Buddha is not a god. Gautam Buddha is a human being. And by eightfold path he had got nirvana, enlightenment, salvation. So we can get also salvation by likewise. But Mahayana is known as big vehicle of salvation. And Gautam Buddha has been regarded as a god or messenger of God. And we can worship that God and we can get salvation. Means Hinayan very close to Hinduism. But Mahayana very close to Hinduism. But Hinayan very rigid sects of Buddhism, and Mahayana very flexible. Hinayan, which language? Pali. But in Mahayana, Sanskrit were also used. And only Gautam Buddha had not been worshipped. Means many Buddhas are there, and many Buddhas means who are going to get salvation in the way. Okay, they are bodhisattva. Means Buddha in making are known as bodhisattva. Means those people who are doing work like Buddha, but they are not got enlightenment. Very soon they will get. Okay, like many torch bearers are there. They are giving lesson to the society how to get salvation. They all people are known as bodhisattva. And bodhisattva and Gautam Buddha, statue worshipping started. Means we can get salvation by worshipping these Buddhist and these Gautam Buddha and Bodhisattva. Means by worshipping of these people also we can get salvation. But Hinayan never believed that. Hinayan believed that only by one way. What one way? Eightfold path. Only by eightfold path we can get salvation. Okay, otherwise we can't get salvation. And statue worshipping not allowed in Hinayan, but in Mahayana very much allowed. Okay, language in Hinayan Pali, in Mahayana Sanskrit. Okay, and In which area Heenan was very much famous? I have taught you. Sri Lanka, India, Laos, Burma, Cambodia, and Mahayan in northwestern part of India, means Kashmir type area, and Southeast Asian countries like China and Japan. So Mahayan is spread in that area, and Heenan is spread India and okay down, means someone north one and south one. So okay, so first one Heenan you can understand like this one. Heenan means north one, sorry south one, India and south one. Okay, you can like Japan, you see this one, China, you this sorry south means we can say this one, these area, Cambodia, Burma, Laos, and north one China also situated north area. Okay, so likewise you can understand this one. Thank you.